Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you where to buy sewing materials to make a corset. If you live in Europe like me, the best place to buy is on Etsy. The first shop I'd like to talk about is You Nude Crafts. I got plastic boning 6mm wide by meter, underwire channeling 11mm, I didn't make a corset yet using these materials. Seems that it fits, but you will need to stitch exactly on top of the existing seam lines. I also bought this bra foam to make bra cups. It feels nice and soft. Now let's talk about corset mesh. It is very tricky to buy online. All colors were stated as nude, but all of them had a different shade. This is another kind of underwire channeling. Six mm plastic boning didn't fit inside this 1cm channeling. I tried my 5mm metal boning that I bought in Brazil a long time ago. It was very tight. I guess the boning should be 4mm for this channeling. Note that tips are a bit wider. Corset mesh was very pale and had pinkish undertone. What I didn't like is that all the shops were stating that it was a non-stretch mesh for corsets, but in reality, all of them were stretchy. This one is stretching in both directions. Black mesh had the same quality, slightly stretchy. I believe that for a corset, it needs to be 100% non-stretch material. To choose a bra underwire, I removed one from my old bra and measured it. But it is better to measure your sewing pattern. Now this mesh was a bit stretchy in one direction and non-stretchy along the grain line. The color had a yellow shade, though. Out of curiosity, I decided to order one piece of fabric from Russia to compare the quality. Black and beige tapes to make a waistband. The color was perfect. But it was stretchy as well. Now let's talk about the difference between plastic and metal boning. Plastic one is a bit thicker and more resistant. It doesn't bend to the sides. The metal one seems more flexible and softer, but it is more difficult to cut. It is better to buy by meter, just don't forget to get enough tips and make sure you have appropriate tools to cut metal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your sewing buddies. See you soon!